Now guys, let's move on to the next page. Number 2, Bianca wrote the number of hours that she practiced playing guitar in June. Describe how the amount of practice time changed from week 1 to week 4. Okay, I have the information here. Week 1 it was 1 hour, week 2 2 hours, week 3 4 hours, and week 4 5 hours. Okay, I have here a paragraph I have to make first, then I'm gonna solve my question. Okay. First, guys, the title of the paragraph. The title of a paragraph, you will always find it here, guys. So it's talking about Bianca's and number of hours that she practiced playing guitar. So I can say Bianca's guitar practice. Now I have numbers here. The numbers here, I will find it here. The numbers here, it's what? Yes, it's hours, so I'm gonna write hours. Now I have week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, so it's easy, so I'm gonna write weeks. Now, in week 1, she practiced only 1 hour, so I'm gonna draw a bar and I'm gonna color it. Week 2, 2 hours. Okay, week 3, 4 hours, so I'm gonna go all the way to 4. And week 4, 5 hours. Okay, guys, what have you noticed about my bar graph that I have in front of me? It was 1, then 2, then 4, then 5. So it become bigger, become greater, but I can't say grow. Can't say grow. In the previous bar graph, we said that plants grow taller each week. But here I don't have plants, I have a practicing hour. So I can't say grow. Practice hour grows? No. So I have a magic word, like we have a magic word for being smaller. I said it's decreased. I have a magic word for the number is getting bigger, so I'm gonna say increased. Increased means become bigger. So I'm gonna say the amount of practice time increased each week. Increased each week means it becomes greater each week. Now let's move on to the next page. Number 4, how many strings are 9 inches long? Okay, here we have a line plot talking about lengths of strings in inches. So 9 inches is here. I have how many x's? 1, 2, 3. So I'm gonna write 3. Now number 5, how many strings are more than 6 inches? So more than 6, I'm not gonna take 6, but I'm gonna take all the numbers that is more than 6. So I have 7, 8, and 9. Now let's count the x's on top of each number. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now, in number 6, David measured the snowfall for 4 weeks, fill in the bubble next to all the sentence that describe the data. Make a bar graph to solve the problem. Okay, guys, I need you to do the bar graph, then check your answers with me. In week 1, it was 1 inch. Okay, week 2, 2 inches. Week 3, 3 inches. And week 4, 4 inches. Now let's read the statements that we have, and if it's right, I'm gonna choose it. There were 2 inches of snow in week 2. In week 2 we have 2 inches, yes, so I'm gonna choose it. The amount of snowfall increased each week. Increased means it become bigger or greater each week. Okay, I have here mistake, it's 4. Yes, it was 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, so it's increased. Now, snowfall decreased from week 3 to week 4. Decreased, it becomes smaller from week 3 to week 4. No, it become bigger. Next one, there were a total of 4 inches of snow in week 2 and 3. Week 2 and 3 means I will add the number in week 2 and the number in week 3. Number in week 2, it was 2, and number of week 3 is 3. 2 plus 3 equals 5. So the total was 4? No, it was 5, so I'm not gonna choose it. Last one. There were 3 more inches of snow in week 4 than in week 1. Okay, week 4 I have 4, and week 1 I have only 1 inch. Okay, there were 3 more. 3 more means I have to subtract. So 4 minus 1 equals 3. So we have 3 more. Yes, we have 3 more. That's it, guys, for today. Hope you understand the lesson. Love you all. See you soon. Bye.